In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change the album cover photo for your photo albums on your iPhone 15. I have the Pro Max here, but this works on all the iPhone 15 models. So simply go to the Photos app on your iPhone and then go to Albums and then find the album whose cover photo you want to change. So let's say this album, okay? I have an album here. So what you want to do is tap on the album and then select the photo you want to use as the cover photo and then long press on that photo. And on the menu that pops up, you'll see make key photo. So tap on that and that's going to be the key photo for this album. Now when we go back, you should see that that is the new photo for that album, the cover photo. Let's try again with a different photo. Let's try with this one. Make key photo and then hit the back button, and as you can see, that's now the cover photo for that album. And that is basically how to do that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.